Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and today I'm here to give you another review. If you're new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button, and also if you enjoy the video, hit the like button for me. I'm here to talk to you about another pair of wireless Bluetooth earbuds. This brand is by Lermom. I'll put a link down below. You can go check out other reviews and check out the current price and everything. But they're pretty affordable. So that's kind of what's great about these is, with the wireless earbuds, they're easy to lose. And if you're at the gym or working out, you don't have to worry about losing one and breaking the bank like some of the more expensive brands by Apple and Sony and etc. So that's kind of why I want to talk about these. Now, with that said, the sound quality, it's pretty good, but it's not to an outstanding level. So it's not equal to the $100 pair of headphones, but it gets the job done. They still sound great, especially if you're working in the yard or at the gym, etc. So with Lermom, let's talk about what you get when you buy these. So everything that you get for your price. Obviously, the box. You get 2 bags here of various size plugs that go on the end of the ears. So you can find the one that fits perfect for you. There's a lot of options there. You get a charging cable, pretty straightforward, standard USB. You get the manual and a little quick start guide card. And then you get the charging station here. Now, one of the unique things about this charging station versus some of the other ones you may have seen me review, it's a little bit bigger, so it's not as hard to lose. It's got these little rubber stops here on the bottom. It's got a magnetic top, which is kind of nice because it keeps it closed. So if you throw it in your gym bag, you don't have to worry about it popping open and the headphones falling out. Another feature that's kind of unique that I haven't seen on other products is it has an on-off button for the charging mode. So you're not, basically, if you're putting them in there and you don't want to charge your earbuds, you don't have to. So that's kind of a nice feature. And then here's the actual earbuds themselves. You can see they're nice and small. You press the buttons. That's how you turn them on. Pair them into Bluetooth mode. Like most of the Bluetooth headphones out there on the market, you can answer calls. You can skip, pause, play, etc. with tracks. As far as putting these in your ears, they're decently comfortable. I don't know if I'd want to wear them all day long. That would be kind of one of the, I would say, a negative side effect compared to some of the other brands I've had. But they do come with something that I thought was different and unique that I haven't seen in other brands, which are these guys. So for you guys out there that like over the ear, they have attachments here that it comes with that you can drop in the earbud into the little silicone piece here, and this gun goes around your ear. So it makes it a little bit more comfortable, in my opinion, and it keeps them more secured in your ear. So, to me, by themselves, I don't like them a lot because after a while they have a hard time staying in my ear. But they work perfectly and they're a lot more comfortable. So that's a big plus. The headphones, I've yet to run them out on a battery, so they've lasted several hours. The company says they last about 12 hours. So I haven't tested them out for a full 12 hours, but they definitely have lasted several hours without any problems. The Bluetooth range is okay. It's decent. I can get around anywhere kind of in my house, but if you walk more than like 10 feet away, it starts to lose signal. So to charge them, they take about an hour to 2 hours to charge, I've noticed. And then when you put them back in here in the base station, the base station holds about somewhere between 3 and 4 charges. So, it's great if you're traveling or in your plane and you forgot to charge them before you go, and bam, pop in the base station, let them charge up, and you're good to go for some more music. So that's basically it with the Lermom. I'll put some more info down below, and like I said, I'll include a link so you can check other people's reviews, see what they kind of think of the product. It's a great buy, and that's really the big drive for this brand. I mean, it makes a decent, good product. With the silicone headphones, I would say they're a lot more comfortable than without them, and at the end of the day, it's really about the price, and I've been happy with the purchase, and you can you don't have to worry about losing them. So because you're not going to break the bank. But check them out, and like I said, thanks for watching the video, and hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys on the next review. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.